How to make this delicious ofeakwu? The list of ingredients is in the description box below. Place a pot of water on medium heat and add washed palm fruit. Cover and cook until tender. Transfer to a mortar and pound until smooth. Then wash with warm water and extract juice. In a separate pot, combine meat, onion, fresh pepper, thyme, curry, salt and Maggi. Mix well and steam. Radio time! People buy me to eat but never eat me. What am I? Let me know the answer in the comment section below. Add a little water to the meat mixture and cook until done. Place the pot of extracted palm fruit and allow it to boil. Then add your onion, stockfish, tomato paste, crayfish, fresh pepper, mix and add meat. Cover and let it boil until it thickens. Then add scent leaf if available. Our ofeakwu is ready to eat and enjoy with white rice. Thanks for watching.